Winter arrives over parts of South Africa on Sunday with the arrival of a cold front bringing in overcast and wet weather, particularly for the Western Cape. But on our futurecast, you'll see how it spreads that chance of rainfall not only up the west coast, but all the way through to the Eastern Cape by Sunday night. It also brings in cooler weather with it, and it's reinforced by a secondary front on Monday. But for the eastern half of the country, we can still expect a sunny Sunday with a particularly hot day for KwaZulu-Natal. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for heavy rain over parts of the Western Cape, where we could see more than 50 millimeters of rainfall over a 24-hour period within the shade of red. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with that highest chance of rainfall over the far southwestern part of the country, with scattered showers expected throughout the Western Cape, and then isolated rainfall as we head up the west coast, as well as into the Eastern Cape, particularly on Sunday night. Here are the daytime highs, but you'll also see the effect of the cold front in the southwest. Cape Town with a maximum temperature of only 16 degrees, 14 for Sutherland, 19 for Springbok, Vredendal and George, 27 though as we head towards Kimberley, with a warm day for Mahikeng, Polokwane and Pretoria, all at 26. Johannesburg tops 23, Bombela at 27, Bishu at 24, and a hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, with Richards Bay seeing a maximum of 30 degrees. As we head out to the west coast, we can expect overcast weather with a possibility of rainfall, so poor beach conditions here, with a moderate westerly wind for Alexander Bay, picking up to more of a northwesterly wind as we head towards Langebaan. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 2-meter swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Overcast and wet weather also brings in poor beach conditions along the southwest coast, with a strong northerly wind for the Table Bay side, but more of a northwesterly wind picking up to strong speeds from False Bay all the way through to Cape Agulhas, and here we're expecting a 2.5-meter swell with wave heights between 3 and 5 feet. A moderate northwesterly wind is forecast for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with more of a westerly component to the wind for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. Mostly cloudy to overcast here with the possibility of rainfall, and along the south coast we're expecting a 2.5-meter swell, and that's from the southwest with wave heights between 3 and 5 feet. Mostly cloudy but still dry for East London with a southwesterly wind in the afternoon. We're expecting lots of sunshine and hot weather from the Wild Coast through to Richards Bay, with a 20-kilometre-per-hour northwesterly wind for the Wild Coast and Durban. And along the east coast we're forecasting a 1.5-meter swell with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.